Understanding Articles Drafted, a guide to English language mastery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and important phrase, articles drafted. This phrase is commonly used in writing, journalism, and legal contexts. It's crucial to understand not just the meaning but also how to use it effectively. Let's get started. Articles drafted generally refers to written pieces that have been created but are not yet in their final form. These are preliminary versions of documents, essays, reports, or articles. The term drafted implies that these documents are in the process of being reviewed, edited, or awaiting approval before they are finalized or published. Drafting is a critical step in the writing process. It allows the writer to 1. Organize thoughts. Drafting helps in structuring the content logically. 2. Refine ideas. It provides an opportunity to improve the arguments or narratives. 3. Seek feedback. Drafts can be shared with peers or supervisors for suggestions. Understanding the concept of articles drafted is particularly important for students, writers, journalists, and legal professionals as it's a fundamental part of their work. Journalism. Reporters often draft articles before submitting them for editorial review. Academic writing. Researchers draft papers before submitting them to journals. Legal documentation. Lawyers draft legal documents before they are reviewed and signed. Content creation. Bloggers and content creators draft posts before publishing. In each context, the draft is subject to revisions and improvements, showcasing the dynamic nature of writing and content creation. That's all for today on the topic of articles drafted. Remember, drafting is more than just a phase in writing. It's an opportunity to hone, refine, and perfect your work. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and utility of drafting in various professional fields. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to draft and redraft until you're satisfied. See you in the next video, and happy learning!